starting down on the east side, or the west side. I cut one of my driveway permits in there. I'm going to tweak it up with this. That reminds me, I got to grab some gravel quick so I can mark it for the next load of gravel out there. But I got to fix up that crossing. I got to make it pitched away from the road per the permit. So I'll bring some gravel out there and then we'll check back in. It's gonna get cold and rainy. Today's supposed to be 64 and it's gonna drop down to 20 tomorrow night. Gotta pick up some of these trash bags here. So I'm hoping to get this first entrance at least finished in the near future. I mean, it's really close to grade right now, but I don't want to fail an inspection, so I'll skim it down a little more so it's pitched all the way away, and then I'll dump this gravel there. That's the plan right here. Hopefully I don't get the phone line in here. So what I got to do here is I got to knock off probably 4 to 5 inches so that this is pitched away from the road, so that when it rains, your gravel doesn't go onto the road. I was close with the dozer, but I wanted to be safe. So I got the scarifiers down. I'm breaking up, the top 3 inches on every pass, and I'm pulling that dirt, knocking down that 4 to 6 inches. I'm pulling it away, and the farther we get from the road, the faster it goes downhill. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish in this step right here. Just about got my pitch shaved off, a couple more, and then I'm going to do a more finished grade next. Ugly in here. It's a work in progress. Now we're going to dump that gravel so they know where to dump the first load up here. I'm going to try to lay them a little ramp, if you will, so he don't smush down too bad. I mean, I compacted all this with the high lifter when I made this. Okay, so if you're following our series here at 205, I'm going to take the time today to really set this up nicely for the dump truck driver. And as you're going to see in a future episode, he did not dump the gravel here. He dumped it somewhere else. And when Phil and I arrived, there was no gravel here, even though he confirmed he dumped 2 loads. So it's going to be a surprise as to, okay, where in the heck did he dump this gravel for this driveway? Stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to go back and get a little more and make him a little entryway to get in here. So here you can see your pitch, you know, you want it pitched away from the road. I made this wide enough where I can have 2 loads brought in side by side so he don't get on that dirt and pump a couple of heavy tracks in there. Should work out well.